Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Slow Beauty, Skincare and Self-Care for Women 40+. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we're focusing on the 3-minute glow ritual, which is a perfect blend of skincare and self-reflection. Our theme for this episode is reflecting with gentleness. We'll guide you through 3 delightful sections. First, a skincare step to elevate your glow. Next, a scripture to inspire your soul. And finally, a self-care step to nurture your spirit. Stay tuned as we embark on this rejuvenating journey together. Our first step is all about hydration. Start with a hydrating mist, toner, or a rose water spray. Hold it a few inches away from your face and mist slowly. Feel the delicate droplets covering your skin. It's a refreshing and calming moment, so take a pause before you proceed. This pause is important. It allows your skin to receive the benefits fully, rather than feeling like it has to work right away. As you mist your face, pay attention to how it feels. Notice the cooling sensation, the softness. It's like a gentle wake-up call for your skin. This simple ritual isn't just about skincare. It's a reminder to give yourself grace. Ask yourself, where do I need gentleness today? There's no need to find an answer right now. Just be curious and notice the thoughts that come up. Taking this moment for yourself sets the tone for the rest of your glow ritual. Now let's take a moment to reflect with a piece of scripture that can guide both your skin and soul. Today's scripture is Isaiah 30:15. In quietness and confidence shall be your strength. Take a moment to breathe that in. This verse beautifully underscores the idea that our true strength lies in softness, and our wisdom comes in moments of stillness. In a world that constantly urges us to move faster and do more, this scripture invites us to find power and clarity in slowing down. It's about recognizing that our worthiness doesn't come from constant pushing, and being held doesn't require hurrying. Allow yourself to slow down and truly reflect on what this means for you today. Carry this thought with you as we continue our ritual. Now let's add a lovely self-care step to our ritual. Place your hand over your heart and close your eyes. Feel the warmth and connection of this simple gesture. Slowly, say or think to yourself, "Today I will move at a pace that honors my body and my spirit." Let these words bring a sense of softness and peace over you. Notice how saying this affirmation feels in your body and mind. Now take one slow breath in and one long breath out. Simple, slow, and sacred. This reflection is not just an act, but a gentle reminder of the importance of connecting with ourselves in a meaningful way. Remember, you are doing beautifully. That's it for today's episode on the 3-minute glow ritual. I hope you feel inspired to incorporate these simple yet powerful steps into your daily routine to nurture your skin and soul. If you'd like more skincare and self-care, check the show notes for links to my newsletter, membership, or journals. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Carrie Scharf, and this is the Slow Beauty Podcast. Take care and be sure to tune in next time for more skincare and self-care tips designed just for you. Goodbye.